In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable editing in PowerPoint. Let's walk through this from start to finish so you can confidently make changes to any presentation you open. Begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this by double-clicking the PowerPoint icon on your computer. When it opens, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can start a new presentation or open an existing one. Next, open the presentation you want to work on. If it's something you used recently, you'll likely see it under Recent Files. If not, click to browse your computer or your cloud storage and select the file. Once it opens, take a quick look at the top of the window. If your file came from an external source, such as a download or an email attachment, PowerPoint may open it in protected view. You'll know this is the case if you see a yellow banner across the top. Protected view is a safety feature that opens files as read-only to help protect your device. If you trust the source of the file, go ahead and click the Enable Editing button in that yellow banner. This immediately unlocks the slides so you can make changes. If you still can't edit after enabling, the file might be set to read only. You'll often notice this if you can't type or if read only appears in the title bar. To fix it, you have two easy options: save a new copy of the file to a location you control or turn off the read only setting. Saving a copy is the quickest way to move forward, especially if the original came from email or a shared location. For more control, head to the File tab in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This opens the Backstage view where you can manage settings for the file. Click on Info on the left side. Here you'll see details about the file, including permissions. Select Protect Presentation to view the security options. If you see that Always Open Read Only is turned on, simply uncheck it. This removes the read-only preference so the file opens ready for editing. After adjusting this, return to your slides and you should have full editing access. By following these steps, you can safely enable editing and take full control of your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, only enable editing for files you trust, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.